Let's hear it for the Cobras. If there is a Sarah Jillian Wright, that's Sarah Jillian.
Hi, I'm Ashley and this is Hannah, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about cloning.
Cloning, by the dictionary definition, is the technical process by which identical offspring are formed from a single cell or tissue.
A person may think of cloning as meeting a clone of the same age and has the exact same scars on their body, but it doesn't quite work like that.
No. If you were able to be cloned, your clone would start out as a zygote, then it would be a fetus, then 9 months later it would be born. And when it was born, it would definitely look like you when you were born. And when it was 6 years old, it would look like you when you were 6 years old. But your clone would definitely not be born the same age as you.
Cloning of humans is illegal and not permitted. We are not sure if a human has ever been cloned. There is no proof, although scientists have said there has been.
I bet that you didn't know that cloning takes place every day. Most organisms produce exact duplicates of themselves by asexual reproduction, though the process they use is called binary fission. Asexual reproduction is any of several forms of reproduction that result in offspring that is genetically identical to the parent.
Binary efficiency, the form of asexual reproduction in which the organism splits directly into two equal-sized offsprings, each with the parent's genetic material. Not all organisms use binary efficiency to reproduce. Some use budding and others produce by runners.
Budding is the form of asexual reproduction in which the offspring begins as a small outgrowth from the parent and eventually breaks off, becoming an organism of its own. Now we're going to tell you how you can clone your very own frog.
Step 1. Get an unfertilized egg cell. Step 2. Remove the nucleus from the egg cell. Step 3. Get the frog cell that you're cloning, take out the nucleus and transfer it into the enucleated cell. Step 4. Then the new cell begins mitosis. And step 5. Wait till your little froggy grows.
Hey Ashley, do you know what the Dolly Revolution is?
No, I don't. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Sure. Well, scientists had always believed that specialized cells can't give rise to new organisms.
Really? What do you mean?
Well, a scientist in Scotland proved this wrong. He used genetic material from an adult cell. He also took some cells from the udder of a Finn Dorset sheep. The cells from the udder were grown and starved for a few days. Then a nucleus was taken out and placed into an enucleated egg cell from a Poll Dorset sheep. At last, the dividing embryo was placed into the womb of a Scottish blackface sheep. Dolly was born, and it was a Finn Dorset.
So, Dolly was a clone?
Yep, that's right.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you learned a lot about cloning.
And he was a Finn Dorset.
So, Dolly was a clone?
Yep, that's right.
Thanks for watching our video presentation on cloning. I hope you learned a lot.